Well, right away, right out of the gate, if you say you don't have enough time, then words become things, and that becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. The word abracadabra actually means words become things. It's a Hebrew word that means words become things. So it's really about your relationship with time. And like any other relationship, we can improve that relationship just by bringing awareness to it. Where does the time seem to go? That's why if you actually track your time, then you can get a handle on it, because you'll see where you're leaking your time. How many times you may answer your cell phone or be on social media. Now there are all those apps that show you how long you're on social media. That is one of the main reasons why blocking your time is so useful. But what happens is that once we start an activity, if that activity is disrupted, and then we go do something else and then we come back to it, it takes us time to get back into it again, to get our wheels turning again, and to get into a peak state. Ideally, we want to be in a peak state where things come together and we are in our creativity and we are in our flow and we are in our momentum. So I invite you right now to think about what time of day are you at your best? Like for me, it's the morning. I love waking up in the morning. I love when nobody else is awake and there's undisturbed time. I love how it feels. I love getting up and drinking a glass of water. I love the sunrise. But some people are night people and they love, a lot of creatives really love the evening time. And that's their time to shine. That's when they awaken and become their very best. So what are you? Are you a morning person? Are you an evening person? Do you want to be a morning person if you're an evening person? These are important conversations just to have with yourself so that you can explore really how you tick, how your energy is. And then, so let's talk about energy. As time and energy, they flow together. So if you think about time, like you might wake up and have a lot of energy and then you might kind of fall off and then you go back up, maybe drink a cup of coffee and then come back down. So if you know what your timeline of the day looks like, you know how to pace yourself so that you can keep refilling yourself up so that you can be a high performer, that you can get stuff done. Like a high performer, I don't know, you want to do it in flow, like you want to feel good, you want to get stuff done. So today I invite you just to notice how your energy patterns are, because awareness is key, and write it down. You can take your calendar. If you're not using a calendar, then you're not going to know where your energy is leaking out. I'm such a big fan of using a system, whether it's a digital system or using a paper planner, calendar. I actually create them, and I've been working on my next planner that's actually going to launch in the fall here shortly. But time and your relationship with time, and make friends, like really befriend time. Make time your BFF, your very, very best friend. And what you believe and what you say and what you call in becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. So time is on your side. I have plenty of time to get done everything that I need, and then just kind of check in throughout the day. On a 1 to 10, how do I feel? 10's amazing. You feel like a 2, then you need to go outside, do some jumping jacks, or go for a walk, or meditate for a few minutes. You know, check in and ask how you feel, and then work with the energy. And that's how you expand time. That's how you get more done. So I'm so happy to share, because I'm super passionate about this. So that's what I invite you to think about today, your relationship with time.